lesson 6, go ahead and get out your teacher's manual and flip to lesson 6. And this one's all about physical activity. So in the staff reference guide, you'll open up to page 6. And you'll talk about the importance of aiming for at least 60 minutes of physical activity every day. And this doesn't just include, doing sports, but this can be any type of play. Anything where they're moving their bodies would count as physical activity. And it's really important to try to aim for things that students enjoy doing so that it doesn't feel like a chore, but more as just a fun part of life. So you can talk about how much physical activity is needed, some ways to get active, and some of the benefits of physical activity. So it can prevent them from getting sick, they'll do better in school, they can make new friends that way, it can help them sleep better and relax. And the little box at the bottom just kind of reiterates the importance of a healthy diet and how a healthy diet and physical activity all go together to make a healthy lifestyle. A suggested activity you could do during this lesson is have the students get into groups of 5 or 6 and stand in a circle, and each group will have a ball, and they'll toss the ball for 1 minute, and each time a ball lands in their hand they have to name a physical activity. And then you can have one person in each group being the recorder, so they'll write down all the physical activities that were named, and then whichever group has the most physical activities listed after the minute is up will win. So then you're going to hand the worksheet out for this lesson, and the worksheet is physical activity. So what they'll do is just go through and kind of answer the questions. So this is a good worksheet to get them kind of thinking about how they can incorporate more physical activity into their life, not just while playing sports, but in everyday life. So things like walking to the store instead of driving, or riding their bike instead, or taking the stairs instead of taking an elevator, or even when they're at a mall or something, instead of just standing on the escalator, have them walk up the escalator. So all these little things, this worksheet will help them kind of think of ways that they can incorporate more physical activity throughout each day. After they fill it out, ask them to share their answers with everyone. It'll kind of give other people some ideas in the class, and that's about it. So enjoy lesson 6.